Hello sellers, welcome to the online training of No Cost EMI. We'll see what we learn in today's session. We'll learn what is No Cost EMI, how does No Cost EMI work, how to enable No Cost EMI, how do we track and check our reports. No Cost EMI promotion enables customers to purchase products at zero interest charges by paying the product price equally divided over the repayment timeline. For example, if a customer purchases a product of rupees 9,000 at a 3 months tenure, the customer will pay rupees 3,000 every month for 3 months, amounting to total of rupees 9,000. These promotions are 100% funded by the sellers. Sellers will bear the cost of the promotion unless specified explicitly at the time of promotion creation. There is no risk for sellers as they will get the full payment of their orders minus the interest cost for no cost EMI and applicable taxes in their regular payment cycle for the orders. The interest cost will be auto deducted from the seller's receivables and would be visible on Seller Central. EMI will be auto deducted by the bank from the customer's credit or debit card every month. Bank will bear the risk of EMI non-payment. There is no risk to the seller as he or she will get full payment for their orders after deduction of the interest charges in their regular payment cycle, that is 7 to 14 days. How does no-cost EMI work? When a customer orders a product online using no-cost EMI, bank will send the full amount to Amazon. Amazon will upfront pay to the seller after deducting of the interest charge in the next payment cycle, which is the 7 to 14 days. Customer will start paying the EMI to the banks monthly. Now, when the customer returns the product, Amazon will refund all the amount to the bank. Bank will refund the money to the customer. Sellers will get the 100% refund of the interest charge if deducted. How do we enable no-cost EMI promotion? We have two ways to enroll. First is to configure the no-cost EMI for selected list of ASINs. Second is to configure no-cost EMI to all the ASINs in the catalog through no-cost EMI recommendations page. Let's go through the first step. Now you have to share the list of ASINs where the average selling price is greater or equal to 3,000 along with the tenure and duration. Amazon team will configure the no-cost EMI promotion as per the received list of ASINs. You have to verify the list of ASINs, its terms and conditions, and click on the opt-in button to provide the final confirmation. Within the next 2 business days, no-cost EMI will be enabled for the product on the Amazon detail page. You have to share the list of ASINs to an email ID, which is affordability@amazon.com. The next step is to configure no-cost EMI to all the list of ASINs in the catalog through Amazon's no-cost EMI recommendations page. Now, this is how the no-cost EMI recommendation page will look like. So you have to check the promotion start date, end date, banks, funding, promotion deadline date, and start opting in. Once you click on this card, no-cost EMI will be configured for all the ASINs in your catalog. Now, this is an example to show you all how exactly the opt-in page will look like. So you have to verify your ASIN's promotion start date, end date, the banks, the funding, and when exactly is the deadline date, because you would have given the tenure and the duration to the Amazon POCs to configure the no-cost EMI for the list of ASINs that you have sent. After which you will have to verify the terms and condition over here in this page only, and then click on the opt-in button. And in the next 2 business days, no-cost EMI will be there for all your ASINs on the Amazon detail page. Sellers can disable their promotion at any time after opting in by clicking on the opt-out button in the same location from where they opted in. Promotions are disabled within 2 business days after receiving the request from the seller. Now, prior to opt-in, the sellers can decide the tenure for each of his or her ASIN for no-cost EMI promotion and communicate the same to the Amazon POCs. The decision to partner with brands is left to the seller. Amazon has no restrictions on who bears the cost. No-cost EMI offers can also be funded by banks or brands or Amazon. Sellers will not be charged no-cost EMI interest in the case of no-cost EMI offers on the ASINs that are funded by other entities. How can a seller track on which orders no-cost EMI discount is charged? From the report section, you'll have to click on the option that says payments, where you have to stay on the transaction view. So whatever the product detail and the transaction type says as promotion reduction and no cost EMI are the interest charges that will be deducting from your account every time there is an order that is placed via no cost EMI. How does customer order products on no cost EMI? Where are no cost EMI promotion disabled to customers? Now, customers can see no cost EMI offers for a product under special offers and product promotions sections or visit no cost EMI page. While ordering the product, customers can choose no cost EMI tenure as shown below. This is the tenure page where customers can opt in for the no cost EMI according to how the sellers have offered. No-cost EMI interest charges depend on customer's bank card and tenure chosen by the customer at the time of placing no-cost EMI orders. Below table capture the interest charges. These are the banks that Amazon has tied up with the no-cost EMI. All the banks will be allowed for no-cost EMI transactions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy selling on Amazon.